So the National Centre seeks to work across government, industry and the research community to enable the delivery of quantum computing capabilities for the UK. So we're focusing on the key technical challenges around scaling quantum computing, helping to drive end user adoption and working with different sectors, but we're also working to support the wider ecosystem for quantum computing in the UK, and in particular seeking to mobilise the development of the supply chain for component technologies.
So the goal of NQCC Software Lab that we will establish soon is to partner with the NQCC effort to reaching out to the end user, for example through a Spark program, and we become the research engine to address, so we can create this cycle of end user bringing their pain point, they're bringing their problem, and we try to solve it and benchmark it and trying to give the solution and advice. So as well as bringing the classical computer scientists from the School of Informatics as well as elsewhere in UK, so we being the bridge between the science, the research that needs to be done to advise when the quantum advantage can be achieved.
So our new facility will be complete by July of next year. So then the commissioning of our lab space is foremost in my mind. That new building is going to be a really pivotal moment for the UK community to see we've got a national centre, a national laboratory. And then I think the longer term goal is building that user community in industry. So how do we really amplify that and maintain that and keep building from strength to strength?
The biggest challenge, and something that I hope to contribute, is to understand this common language. The way that physicists and computer scientists understand each other, now we need to understand industry better to be able to make what we're trying to do relevant and trying to manage to really drive a quantum economy in a positive, forward-looking way.
So thinking about the skills that we need, as vital as our PhD programs are in physics and maths, for me, it's much more than that. We need apprentices, we need to be building up a manufacturing sector, we need to bring people in from other sectors, computing science, telecoms, systems engineering, and bring them into the quantum landscape. And then for all those technical companies, they will need technically proficient people in sales, in marketing, engaging with clients, in customer services, and not just in engineering and R&D.
The national programme has created a network across the UK of more than 300 collaborating partners. And I think that network is absolutely key to anchoring the activity in the UK, helping to generate the jobs and the companies that will grow the quantum industry here. And I think a quantum industry anchored in the UK will enable us to retain talent within the UK in the longer term.
The growth of the quantum sector has been extraordinary over the last 8 years. I'm not sure any of the people who were bringing together the national programme in 2013 could really have imagined a sector grow so rapidly. And to see that the mainstay of this event now is the quantum industry and our companies that we've developed, it's fantastic.